Hey, Myron Pearson with Tri-City Detail. We are located in West Richland, Washington. In Warrior, a DIYer, or a professional detailer in the Tri-Cities area? Are you tired of the subpar performance you get from detail products from a big box store or an auto parts store? Come on down to our shop, support a local business that carries professional detail products. Let's go through the lineup back here of some of the products that we carry. We have Magnum. This is a 3-in-1 concentrate wheel and tire cleaner. Most of the time, you don't even need to agitate, spray on, and it will clean the surface. Ceramic coated vehicle that you want to keep and maintain and keep a nice gloss, we have a ceramic wash. A really grimy interior solution concentrate works very well for that. You drive down the road and you get tar on your vehicle. This is excellent for removing tar off the surface. You're not ready for a ceramic coating, but you want something that protects better than wax and easy to apply. Boost it. Dirty carpets in your home or your car, fiber foam concentrate is great for that. How about if you're going to a car show here in the Tri-Cities? People love their cars here. Take care of it with ease. The show shine, spray on, wipe off, has lubrication, so you're not gonna scratch your beautiful car, and leaves a gloss. Lives in the Tri-Cities for 5 minutes knows that bugs are the worst in the spring and summer. This is a bug remover concentrate. This removes the bugs for sure. The sprinklers are a nightmare and hard water does not wash off. That is why we have the water spot buster. Very easy to remove those sprinklers spots on there. They're gonna damage your finish if they're left on. Pounds for scratches, express interior cleaners, foamy car washes, tire dressings, and more. We have wash mitts, bug sponges, applicators, interior cleaning brushes, microfiber towels to use on your car, window towels, more stuff too. But come on down here in West Richland and see what we got and let us know how we can help you.